Articles and nouns must agree. What do you mean articles and nouns must agree? So articles must agree in gender and number with the nouns they precede. So when you make a noun plural, remember to also change the definite article that comes before it. For example, il libro, the book, becomes I libri, the books. Okay, so il changes to I, and libro, becomes libri. Okay? La casa, the house, becomes le case, the houses. So la changes to le, and casa changes to case. Do you have to change indefinite articles to plural as well? No, because indefinite articles are only used with singular nouns. If you think about it, it's because you can't say a houses or an apples. So you don't have to bother with changing indefinite articles to plural. Therefore, there are only 4 forms of indefinite articles, but 7 forms of definite articles.